My name is Salman Asadullah, and I'm one of the distinguished engineer at Cisco Systems and also a fellow at IPv6 Forum.
Okay, what was the main message of your presentation?
So today I was leading a panel discussion, and the topic of the panel discussion was IPv6 enterprise deployment lessons learned. So I had basically four individuals from different IT departments of some of the major companies who have deployed IPv6 within their enterprise networks. One of them was John Lockheed from Nokia. The other one was John Woolwine from Cisco. The third one was Rich Lewis from Oracle, and the fourth one was Peter Chang from F5. So basically we discussed some of the key deployment lessons learned within their enterprise networks, and we also took some questions from the audience during that panel discussion.
Okay, what advice do you have for IPv6 professionals?
So the key takeaway, from that panel discussion was there were 5-6 things which sort of resonated, and a lot of people talked about it in the panel and also from the audience. One of them that in order to get a successful IPv6 deployment within the enterprise network, the first thing it was pretty obvious and everybody mentioned is about executive buy-in. So the executives is more than a technical problem, and there are a lot of other issues around it as well, and one of them is having the executive buy-in. So they have to be behind you and they have to be ready to support you for this deployment. The other thing was doing education and training for different portions or different parts of the organization. And the third thing was, which was very important, is to do to test and do proper testing before deploying IPv6 and deploy it in a phased approach, so you're able to see the different issues which could come or arise once you kind of deploy it in a larger scale. And the fourth important point was that you have to really maybe your favorite vendor doesn't have the right solution for you based on your environment, so you have to kind of do your homework and make sure you're choosing the right product or set of product for your specific deployment.